been a while, I haven't seen you guys. We were a bit on a summer camp break, cottage break. I'm home, Tanya and the kids aren't home, so it's just me and the tripod today recording. So, like I said last episode, we're doing a couple of shows designed for children, more child-friendly. So if you kids are watching some of this, this is your lucky day. My name is Miles, and I cook for a living. I actually cook at Queen's Landing. It's probably, you guys have probably driven by around it. But let's just get started. Enough about me. Okay, a lot of us as children normally don't have the opportunity to cook with fire. It's dangerous, we handle knives and whatnot. And when I was growing up, it was very difficult for me to learn how to cook. Because most things had knives, heat, pans, and whatnot. So I realized, wouldn't it be nice to make a show just for children that's child safe? Everything is easy and accessible for children to make? Well, today is the show. Today I wanted to make with you guys yogurt in a cone. So what it is basically, you make some yogurt, and then you add a little bit of whatever nice fillings you enjoy eating. So let me just show you the camera. Look, for me, I love chocolate chips. My favorite fruits, I've cut up blackberries, grapes, apples, and then, best of all, my Smarties. Now, because there's so many, not so healthy foods here sometimes, what I like to do is I add little almonds, right? Something maybe you haven't tried yet, but you kids should really try this. These are really good for you. Just put the camera back. So let me show you guys how to make it. It's not that difficult, really. So what we do is we start with yogurt. I know some of you kids know this, but there's a bunch of flavors. What I like to do is I mix them. So let's mix them together. So we mix yogurt 1 and 2. Ooh, this one even has 2 colors. Look at that. I didn't even know that. Look at that. Anyway, let me mix the third one. Normally 3 of these gets you 2 cones like this. That should be good for about 2 kids. But I'll take 2 cones for me. Okay, so now I have the yogurt in here. What I do is I add some chocolate chips. I add some Smarties, some almonds, and then my favorite fruit. You can add whatever fruits you want, whatever toppings you like. As long as you're enjoying it and you're cooking it, that's all that matters, and you're having fun, right? Okay, let me show the camera. There it is. All that mix. Now we'll just give it a good mix. Like that. Give it a good mix. Even though you're not handling any heat, fire, or anything sharp, it's always best to have an adult with you, just to make sure you're doing things right, okay? And then now, watch me with this. Add it like it's ice cream. Look at that, huh? Isn't it nice as a snack? Right? Now you kids will be tempted to add as much stuff on it as you want. However, try and have a balance, because if you put too much, it's gonna fall, right? For the most important part, in terms of building appetite, us chefs like to say, presentation is everything. So, present it with all these lovely things on top, toppings. Look at that, kids. Maybe try to fit one of these in. That fit too. Oh, it works. It just fits. And there you go. Look, afternoon snack, or whenever a snack. Ice cream in a cone with all your fillings. Anyway, kids, I hope you enjoy this show. There'll be more shows in the coming weeks. Tanya will be here, that's my girlfriend, and the 3 kids. We'll probably get them to help us do this cooking show, and we'll go from there. If you have any ideas on what to cook, right, what you want to see on this show, feel free to text me through Instagram or the library. All right, guys, have a good day. Ooh, let me try this. That is a very, very good snack. All right, guys. Goodbye.